consistent.
Mine's under my radio and my cell phone. That's my super pocket. I put.
Alright, avalanche train.
What do you know? The viewpoint.
You good? Yeah. You started out. We went through everything, the theory stuff in the classroom yesterday.
We've only gone 8 kilometers, so 15 minutes. It's 8:45 now. I think that's what I know.
Yeah, we were. You can start slowly cutting. But yeah, obviously a change of terrain here, right?
Where's the T-bar?
Would it be like a 1 or 2 because like it's not so long, it's not so fat, and there's so many trees in the front of it?
Yeah, and remember, exactly. I would say 1 to 2. Like, think about what is it capable of? What's the destructive potential? Could that very injure or kill a person? Love it. Gotta love the banter.
Yeah, you can always rely on.
Oh, it's hilarious. I used to work in the bush too.
I wonder if you go down.
Well, there's 2 ways we could go about accessing this specific ridge. We could come up this tree line, or we could cross over and go in that tree line and gain access there and come up. Energy levels and also desire. If people want to or don't want to, because we don't have to.
What's our time?
Actually, a bit of a crust in here. Yeah, I mean, there's another one right there.
I guess you can, I mean, if you look, right, I mean, this is a peak, this is a valley,
Oh,
this
yeah,
is a
right.
peak, this is a valley, so if it rains
hard,
hard, then... I'm a little rusty, but...
From the wrist?
Yeah, so we do 10 from the wrist, 10 from the arm, and 10 from the shoulder.
Danny just had her time alarm for start to go ahead back. So good.
Sounds good.
Copy. Team A+ copies.
Yeah, right.
Better than E+.
Ooh. So we'll do.
Roger.
10 from the wrist, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we do have, we're getting a little bit of a kind of a progressive collapse. Progressive collapse would be as you continue to load it, it's collapsing, and it's underneath that surface crust, which you'd expect, right? Because we cut the back, we isolated it, and now we'll do 10 from the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 10 from the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I did actually get something here. A bit of a, looks like a bit of a planar fracture.
Cool.
Resistant.
Resistant shear?
Yeah.
Look, that's a good
But a nice clean gliding wheel.
I'm coming for you, Danny.